What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for SoFi Technologies with the ticker symbol SOFI. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So I'll look at SoFi 2 times a week, every Tuesday and Friday, and let's see what happens since Tuesday. You can see that price did move a little bit lower, just slightly, but then immediately reversed Wednesday, Thursday, and even today. So it's right back at that trend line that I drew off the swing highs. So if price does break this trend line, I think there's a good chance that we might not see that $5 level in the future, because bears are trying multiple attempts to reach the measuring target and they're not able to. So again, this shows signs of strength to the upside. But again, we're still at below the trend line and the EMA, so we got to see price break through it. And I do want to also look at a steeper or a shallower trend line just to be sure that price will break out of it. Because we can always break outside of the steeper one, but then sometimes you'll find resistance at the shallower one. So let's go make this shallow as possible. So something like this. I think once price can break through this trend line, I think there's a very good chance it might be setting up for higher prices. So again, we already saw the first attempt to reach the measuring target that failed. This is the second attempt that's failing. We're seeing a reversal. Sometimes you'll see a third attempt. So if we do see a higher low, that would be the catalyst to trap in shorts for much more higher price. So this would be the setup right here. Something like this type of pattern will be very good for higher prices. If price doesn't do that, it might just continue to push up higher. Then what I want to see is price maintaining support above the $9 level and then continuing higher from there. But either way, this is what it's setting up to do. Either a failure at the $8 level for higher prices or a failure at the $9 levels for higher prices. What's most likely going to occur are those situations, but what's can also occur, but probably less likely, is price just getting rejected from this trend line and is dropping down like that. Maybe not that sharp, but you know what I'm saying. Since we're still below that $8 level, it could always still find resistance and sell off lower. So I'm not saying we're going to see a breakout to the upside. I'm just saying it's a possibility, probably a very good one, because the whole market is pushing up higher, and at least most of the stocks, even Chinese stocks. And I think we can also see the same for SoFi Technologies. So again, this looks pretty good to the upside. I think we can probably see the $9 level in the next coming weeks. Let's just see if we can see a break through this trend line first. I think that's the only thing practically stopping it in the way. We are below the $8 level, which was prior support, but it has been acting as resistance recently. But again, this looks pretty bullish. You can see this weekly candle is looking pretty bullish. Price dropped all the way to the $7.15 level throughout the week, and then bulls brought it back up to the $8 level, which shows signs of strength towards the end of the week, which means we could see more follow through at the start of next week. So this is looking pretty good to the upside. Overall, we're still kind of near the EMA on the weekly chart, which is a good sign. And again, measuring targets aren't always reached. You have to keep an eye on that. This $5 level, if it's not reached by the bears, I think we can see a massive reversal to the upside, possibly another large leg up, because we did see a previous large leg up in the past. So this was all one leg up. If price fails to reach that target and we see a strong reversal, that would be the start of the second leg, which actually can occur from where we are right now. And that would be targeting the 1437 level. So let's see how this develops. For SoFi Technologies, looking pretty bullish, but I want to see a break of the trend line and follow through to be sure. So that's all I have for SoFi Technologies this week, and I'll give you guys an update on Tuesday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.